Welcome everyone to my channel. This is DIY with Tumi. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do like, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about this video and what you also like me to post. I'm doing a series of home decor, so yeah, let's get into it. This is a painting from a charity shop. I really didn't like it. The colour is not really my taste, and I thought, okay, what could be done to make it a bit more modern and more spectacular. Here are a list of items you will need to do this DIY work. So the first thing you would do is to strip the frame until you have it completely bare. I would advise that you keep everything that comes with the frame safe, because at the end you will need it to reassemble it all back together again. Now that the frame is bare, it's time to spray it. But before you do so, just place a sheet of paper or newspaper, any old one, at the bottom just to prevent your surface from being damaged. This is the spray that I use. I got this from Wilco's. So next is just to spray around the frame. I just decided to spray just the front part of the frame and not the back, only because I was just trying to be conservative with my spray. But if you do wish, you can spray the back as well. I prefer spray paint rather than paint because it's faster, it's quicker, and it's much easier to use. And also it has a nice finishing touch. And when you are spraying, make sure that the windows are opened if you are spraying indoors, or alternatively you can do this outside. Leave this to dry for about 2 to 3 hours. I'm using Canva. It's a graphic site to create the graphics work that I want. The handwriting I'm using is PlayScript. I like it because it's fancy, it's creative, and it's artistic. Before printing, make sure that the phrase or word is centered at the middle of the page. So now that the frame is dried, you want to put it all back together in the same order that it was in before. So in this case it's the glass, followed by the inner frame, then the sheet of paper, and if you want you can sellotape it, but in this case I didn't. For extra security, I sellotape around the frame so it can hold very well. And once you're all done, what you have is a finished, beautiful frame. There you go. So if you like this, please do subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Your feedback is much appreciated. In the meantime, take care and catch you later. Bye!